Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyian and you are watching Kyian by Design. Today I'm coming to you from the parking lot at my local Ikea because today I decided I wanted to hit up Ikea and see what new things they might have, pick up a couple things for some projects I have in mind. I love that Ikea has an affordable selection no matter what price point you're looking for, whether it's a little more high-end or a little more on the affordable side, and they're so reasonably priced that you can either take something as is or spruce it up a bit with a little bit of a DIY. Oh, someone's pulling in next to me. Be cool. Be cool. Before we go inside, if you're new, I'm Kyian and this is my channel where I post DIY home and lifestyle content. If you enjoy DIYs, home decor hauls, dollar store videos, thrift flips, etc., then you're definitely going to want to stick around, so hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell down below. But I think I have talked enough, so let's mask up and get into Ikea. All right, I'm heading into Ikea, and can we just take a minute to appreciate my outfit today? I am very 90s kid with this Reptarland shirt and my purple hat and this mask. I really like to coordinate my outfits with my face masks. I think it really just makes living in the middle of a pandemic a lot easier to deal with. And if we're gonna be wearing a little something extra, why not have a little fun with it, right? All right, y'all, we are up here in the showroom. Let's take a look around and get some inspiration. Okay, so I'm not picking this thing up today, but I just wanted to show it off to you guys really quick. It is this rattan like bedside rolling cart. It's got two levels. You can set like a glass of water on top. You see here they've got like books on the bottom. It could be really nice for like a mobile bedside table, and it's only $70, which is not that bad. This is definitely a very cute find. And it's a really versatile piece that I think could work in either a bohemian or a mid-century modern style place. I am absolutely in love with this green room that I'm in right now. It's got everything that I love. This nice green color, some earth tones, touches of brass everywhere. Even the artwork is very similar to some stuff I own. Like if you guys have seen my top 10 thrift finds video, you know that I purchased a thrifted version of the Van Gogh Starry Night painting that was actually hand painted by someone else. So I saw this and I was like, I feel like I could definitely achieve this look. I would love to live in a room like this. Y'all, I have had my eyes on this chair for a while. It's so my aesthetic, like you guys know. It's a green velvet. I'm a sucker for it. I think this would look really nice with like a yellow throw draped over the back or like a pillow on there. Really nice for like a reading nook setup. One day that chair will be mine. Look at all these chairs. A chair like this one looks like something you would see at a really high-end store. I think this looks really nice and really like modern looking. The like natural woven texture is really nice. It's really light and airy colored. And for only $89 a chair, I think that beats the price of a lot of higher end places. Oh my God, I just saw this glass decanter on this dining table. How pretty is this with all these ridges? I might need to find one of these somewhere on the sales floor because I love that. Every time I come to this Ikea, I always have to stop and comment on this particular dining room table setup because A, I don't even know if I know or even like this many people. I'm just kidding. But B, remember when you could have this many people in your house? Ugh, I can't wait to be able to do that again. Hopefully that's soon. So you guys may have seen in my apartment that I actually have this black cart right here. I use it as a bar cart. It's also available in white, but it looks like they just released it in this new like rusty red orange color. It's a really reasonably priced cart for what it is, and it does make a really nice bar cart in my house. Definitely recommend picking up a bar cart from Ikea. There are so many to choose from and a lot of great prices. Oh my god, you guys, I just stumbled across such a cute floor plan. I think this one must be new, but I saw this arched doorway and I'm already in love, so let's go in. This looks incredible. I love this like terrazzo backsplash on the wall over the bed. The colors are really cute, and that lamp in the corner is gorgeous. And for only $70, like I could imagine seeing a lamp like that somewhere for way more of the price, but this lamp is not even $100, and I think that that is a great sculptural looking piece. And they continue that nice terrazzo backsplash in the bathroom with the pink wall. Shower has this nice green tile in it. Oh, this is so cute. Way to go, Ikea. And there's this nice little corridor that leads to a office space down the hall with a day bed for guests. This floor plan is a really efficient way to utilize a small living space effectively. I love this one. Got a bit more of a farmhouse look going on over here. Not really my style, but it's kind of cute actually. You guys, I am obsessed with this bed. It's so gorgeous. It's got this nice upholstered headboard with this curve on either end. It comes in two different upholsteries, this blue, more linen type one, and you guessed it, my favorite, green velvet. I would love to have a green velvet upholstered headboard. $4.99 is really not a bad price compared to a lot of places, but definitely not something I'm gonna pick up today, but oh my God, so gorgeous. So this Ikea has completely overhauled their mattress section. I know this because a few months back, towards the middle of the pandemic, Sam and I were actually shopping for a new mattress and we wanted to come here and try one out, but they had actually completely closed down the mattress section for renovations, and now it's completely done. I honestly think this looks so much better. It looks a lot more luxurious than it used to, and we've since purchased our mattress. We're happy with it, but would have been nice to give it a test drive. But now tons of other people will get to try all the mattresses of their choice on this really new looking floor plan. These sconces over here look so much like the other Ikea sconces that I hacked recently in the Let's Hear It for the Boys hop. If you guys want to check out that video, I will link it down below. I don't see any prices on them, but I think these are really gorgeous. I just found these really cute terrazzo sheets in the kids section. I love these. Terrazzo is one of my favorite patterns. Funny enough, I'm actually wearing terrazzo socks right now that would kind of match this bedding set. Unfortunately, they only come in twin size, so I am jealous of the lucky kid who gets to have these sheets on their bed because I would love to have these. We're all done upstairs. Now it's time to go downstairs and check out the marketplace and pick up a couple of things. I had to stop because this setup reminds me of an Arizona iced tea bottle. Like the cherry blossoms, that color, the pink. Do you guys see it too? Let me know. This is the Arizona iced tea section.
Respect the drip, Karen.
So Ikea has these really new bohemian style pillows. I'd say that they're very similar to like a mud cloth material. They've got this fringe and this nice chevron tribal pattern on them. They've also got this other one down here that's like got triangles on it. Reasonably priced for about $12.99 a cover. Be a nice touch in a boho household. The lighting section is one of my favorite sections at Ikea. They have a great selection with a lot of different prices. Like check out all these like different vintage chic looking table lamps. Oh, I love that green one. The black is really nice too. And these are only $25. So that's a really cute piece for the price. Another great section at Ikea is always their picture frames. They have such a great selection and they're really nice quality and have a lot of different finishes from metals to woods to plastics. If you're looking to build a gallery wall, Ikea is definitely the place to go for your picture frames. The garden section is also really nice. I love Ikea's fake plants. I always feel like they have some pretty realistic looking ones. And if you're anything like me, you can't keep a real plant alive, so fake plants, always the way to go. But oh my gosh, look at this. This looks so realistic. Not all of them are gonna look realistic, but the ones that do are definitely worth the buy. All right, we are reaching the end of Ikea, and now I'm going to my absolute favorite section of the store, the as-is section. This is basically Ikea's clearance section with discontinued products, old floor models, defective products, etc. that you can buy for really discounted prices. Alright, so it has been a few days since I filmed that initial trip to Ikea. I am now coming to you live from my living room on my couch, joined by the one and only Coco. Say hi, buddy. This guy had to get some vaccinations today, so he's a little skittish, right, buddy? So many of you guys were so smitten with Coco in the last video. I swear, if the comments weren't about my DIY projects, they were all about this guy right here. You got fans? Yeah. If you guys don't know, Coco actually has an Instagram where we post all his cute little puppy hijinks. You can follow it at AnxiousCoco. I'll put it on the screen and put a link down in the description below. Because I love this dog and I wish I could share him with the entire world, and this is kind of the one way that I know how. You're so sweet. But anyways, yes, I am back from that trip to Ikea. I love browsing around there and getting inspiration and seeing all the new pieces that they have. Like I said before, one of the greatest things about Ikea to me personally is that they have something for you no matter your price point. Maybe you're not looking to drop the amount of money that one of their more expensive beds costs, but they still have more affordable beds. Or they might have a nicer looking dish rack or something that's a little more expensive, but you can get something for the same use for less money, and I think that's a really great idea. And I think in that way, Ikea and I sort of share a philosophy that like, your life can be beautiful no matter your budget. I think that there's this misconception that only people who have like a ton of money can have like nicely decorated homes, and that's definitely not true. I think it's more about having the right eye and knowing where to shop and using your money effectively. I definitely don't have a ton of money, and I decorated this Ikea shelf behind me with a bunch of thrifted decor, really inexpensive pieces, some DIYs here and there. And Ikea is great for all of those things. It's affordable, it's accessible. Some things you can just take home as is and have look perfectly fine. Or if you want to get crafty with it, you can upcycle it and make it something beautiful of your own. I picked up a couple of things for that very purpose, which brings me to the haul portion of this video. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, I didn't have as much luck at Ikea as I thought I would. But I definitely struck out on a couple of things I was looking for. For example, that beautiful decanter that I saw on the showroom floor. I don't know if it's just a newer item or if they had already sold out before I got down there, but they were completely out of them in the marketplace and I was so disappointed. But I think I will be back for that decanter because it is so pretty and would look amazing styled on my bar cart. But enough about the one product that got away. Let's get into what I was actually able to find. So the first item that I picked up is actually one of their completely blank welcome mats. I think that I paid $7.99 for this. Now, I picked this guy up because it's going to be the perfect blank canvas for an Ikea hacks video that I have coming soon. I've seen a few DIYers, including Drew from Lone Fox, hack this exact same mat, and it's really easy to do. You just have to have a design and the right kind of paint to make sure that it doesn't wear off over time. And I've actually used one of these before to make the current welcome mat that's in my apartment. I'm not gonna show that to you guys because I actually plan to recreate the exact same welcome mat using this. I've got a really great design planned for this, so if you guys wanna see that IKEA hacks video, make sure you're subscribed by clicking that button down below and ringing the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload. Moving on to the second and last product in this haul, I picked up this large concrete planter from the garden section. This is a really solid piece. Like, this is definitely not going anywhere. It's really heavyweight. I picked up this one because the project that I have planned requires a really hefty planter, and this guy definitely fits the bill. One thing I'm still a little bit torn about is if I should leave it this plain concrete color, which I think looks perfectly nice on its own and concrete's definitely in style, or if I should do something a little more exciting and paint the pot. So I want to know what you guys think. Should I paint this pot? Should I leave the concrete just as is? Let me know by dropping me a comment down below. Now I have a really exciting and unique project planned for this planter that I think you guys are going to love, and to give you a bit of a hint, it's something for this little guy right here. Daddy's gonna make something just for you, my special boy. All right, you wanna get down? Good boy. But alright guys, that does it for this IKEA shop with me vlog and haul. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this trip. I had so much fun and I hope that you guys did too. And if you don't want to miss the projects that I have planned for these items, definitely stick around by hitting that subscribe button down below and ringing the notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload a new video. And don't forget to drop a comment down below letting me know if you think that I should paint or leave this concrete planter as is. Give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it and want to see more like it in the future. And you can keep up with me on all of my social media. I will put those links down in the description. But that about does it for today. This has been Kyian by Design, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey Coco, come here. Say bye-bye. Ready? Bye.